Well, children and families are finding the help they need at Firefly Autism Denver. This is another great organization. And there's more good news to share about the lives being changed by the groundbreaking research being conducted by the team at Firefly. Well, Dr. Amanda Kelly shares all the hard work with us today.
You know, COVID has really had a negative effect rather on, our marginalized communities. So what work are you and your team at Firefly Autism doing to take action on this?
Yeah, well, I mean, I think firstly, it has been extremely difficult on everybody. But then you add in some challenges like, we're thinking about people with developmental disabilities, challenges with typical school, and then trying to learn via remotely, so via video. It's just been a really, really tough couple of years for our families and for our students and everybody that we work with. So a couple of things is we have tried really, really hard as much as possible to maintain our services. We never stopped our services, which has been amazing. We've been really lucky that telehealth is something that has been very supported. So telehealth services was something that we switched to really quickly when it was very necessary. We're just really making an effort to reach out to whoever we can. One example of that is we have started working with the Chickasaw Nation. So I was very lucky to be connected with the Director of Behavioural Health, Dr. Shannon Dial at the Chickasaw Nation, and we are now partnering with them to provide telehealth behavioural health services to their members, and that will be starting here this month. So we just want to be able to reach out to whoever we can, and we really need to consider all of the variables that COVID has thrown at us.
Well, yeah, Dr. Kelly, that's amazing. It really sounds like you're able to, stay up to date with the needs of the community during this time, which is so great. So how is Firefly unique, and why is the community so important to you and your team?
Firefly is unique in a lot of ways. There's really a very strong community feel here at Firefly, and it's not just in, we have a lot of different locations. We have a facility in Lakewood, Colorado. We've got a center in Colorado Springs, and then our home-based services team go all over the Metro and Colorado Springs area. So when I say our community, I mean all of the people that we serve. So more recently, just this kind of speaks to the thoughtfulness of our team and that community feel. So more recently, our teams here were doing research on the effects of decluttering and how that can actually help our clients. Huh. And as opposed to, potentially getting rid of some valuable items, the team here decided that we wanted to donate whatever we could to the victims of the Marshall Fire, which was obviously close to where our Lakewood location is. So not just what we decluttered, but all of the staff have come together, and we've been able to donate a lot of just valuable items, things that, it was very specific, it was very, very little worn, almost new, and the amount of things that people gave was just amazing.
Absolutely. Yeah. Like you said, you guys do so much for the community too. I mean, for the people at home that are watching and that might want to either get involved or might need your help, what kinds of services in particular would you like to tell our viewers at home about?
Yeah, I'll try and keep this short. So we provide in-home services, which can really be, it's a very broad range of services that we can provide in-home. So any age group, any hours, we provide, if there's parent consultation needed, we can provide that too, or family consultation in general. We also provide consultations with schools. We do provide trainings for within the healthcare community, EMS teams, Colorado Department of Public Health, teacher trainings, things like that. So education is a huge piece of what we do. And then, of course, in our center-based programs, we do serve individuals from 18 months to 21 years in our center. And that is a full day program. And we also provide early intervention services for, younger children. And in addition to all of that, we recently started, about a year ago, started adult groups. So it's a we're very aware of the fact that it's really difficult to get services after the age of 18 or 21. It's a huge need in our community, so that was something that we really wanted to provide. So adult groups is a big piece of what we do, and then we also provide social skills groups and sibling groups, because again, oftentimes there's a huge focus on the individual with autism, and rightly so, but it can be difficult for siblings too, so that's something that we provide also.
And Firefly Autism leads the country in the way they support families of autism. And to support their mission and learn more about their expanding menu of services, go to fireflyautism.org.